Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to monitor the Windows OS using Nagios Core. First, you need to install NSclient agent on the remote Windows host. Next, open the file you downloaded. Then, you need to click Next to install. To the next step, you fill in the IP address of the Nagios server and the necessary cell modules. Next, open the Windows Services Manager. Right-click on NSclient and go to Properties. At the Logon tab, click the checkbox that says Allow Service to interact with the desktop. Click on Apply and OK. Now, log into Nagios server and add some object definitions in Nagios configuration files to monitor the new Windows machine. First, open the Windows configuration file for editing with the VI editor. A sample Windows host definition is already defined for the Windows machine. You can simply change the host definition like hostname, alias, and address fields to the appropriate values of your Windows machine. Next, uncomment the Windows configuration file in the following directory. Then, verify the Nagios configuration files for any errors. If the verification process shows any error messages, fix those errors until the verification process completes without any error messages. Once you fix those errors, restart the Nagios service. Now, go to the Nagios monitoring web interface and provide the username and password to access. Check that the remote Windows host was added and is being monitored.